not supposed to walk on that. What you doing? No, you're not supposed to walk on that. Hey, are you supposed to walk on that?
Yes.
No.
Hey, throw this in the trash for me.
Yeah.
Open this and throw it in. Throw it in. No. In the trash can. Make sure the crumbs are there.
Break it out and eat that for toys.
Here. Here.
Oh, excuse you.
Hey, hot. Watch him.
Hot. Ouch.
Hot.
Hot. Yeah. All right. Ouch.
Potatoes.
We're going to close it. Hold on.